The zone of special operations in Norwood, St. James may not have the desired results following an admission from National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang that some of the criminals may have fled the community before the forces moved in. The security measure among other things, is intended to address social weaknesses in the community by building out infrastructure while also giving the security forces time to track down and remove crime producers and wanted men. The security minister addressed the matter while touring the ZOSO in Norwood, St. James on Friday.
Who are involved in the crime are involved in what you popularly know in Mento, a lot of scamming. So they are fairly well known. And the police sought to identify and apprehend a number who were not only involved in a lot of scamming, but involved in violence, our violence producers. And they continue to carry out the operation. Naturally, when this zone is announced, a number of people move out. I understand that some people thought we were going to come with a state of emergency, so they moved. It's a zone, so it's a different concept, and most will move back to their home, and they, of course, can be questioned, and the police will have to decide how to use what evidence they have, if it's enough to go to court.